Legend Larry Bubbles Brown is here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, signing autographs in the back of the room. But before that, how about another hand for your waiting bar staff? They're the best here. They are the finest staff working out of the Goodyear parking lot in all of Sunnyvale. No, really wonderful, great people, great friends of mine here. Also on your table are comment cards throughout the evening. If a comic kind of reaches out to you, or the friend that invited you tonight that said, I'll pay for your ticket, put their name down, whatever you feel like you need to do. But write something down, let us know the feedback, because they'll collect that, and they will not spam you. They'll send you free tickets on your birthday. How about that? So, are we ready to get the show started? Somewhat anemic, but I'm going to do it anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, our next comic is one of our favorite, a very unique comic, and she laughs. She snorts when she laughs. Put your hands together for our good friend, Amira Nasser!
What's up, fuckers? How's it going? I finally convinced him to put the fucking hair guitar stuff on stage. What's up? What's up? So I just want to clear the air on something. I snort, it's not cocaine. All right? Yes, I snort and I laugh. Yes. And people usually come up to me after my set. They're like, "You just do this for attention." I'm like, "Bitch, look at this. Do I look like I need attention, motherfucker? Look at this." Okay, I already get it. It fucking scares people. Okay, look at this face. You look fucking hell, Brandon. I'm already scared of you, bro. All right. So I'm gonna play a little bit of a game with you guys. You guys love games, right? Fucking white people love games. All right. Where are my crackers in the house? Okay, here's probably like two. All right, probably like two. Here's how the game goes. It's really, really easy. All right. It's really easy. When I say air, you say ebb, and you follow from there. All right? You got it? You guys look like you can take direction well. Here's how it goes. Ready? When I say air, you say ebb. Air. 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 When I say head, you say bola. Head. Bola. Head. Bola. When I say ice, you say sis. Sis. Ice. When I say Harry, you say camel. Harry. Camel. Harry. When I say Harry, you say pussy. Harry. Harry.
Pussy.
Okay, one more thing. One more time. You ready? When I say "Galala," you say "Galala." Wow, Bay Area. Not bad for a fucking Wednesday night. Wow, good. Someone probably got laid tonight. All right, good. So, a little bit about myself. My name is Amira. I'm sure you guys are probably dying to know my name by now after all that fucking Hezbollah and ISIS talk. I am a half Palestinian, 1/4 Lebanese, and 1/4 Greek. Yep, that's exactly. So, there's two reactions that I usually get from the crowd, all right? I either get catcalled on stage, or I get the woo, yeah, or I get complete silence. Complete fucking silence. And usually when I get the silence, I look at people's reaction on their faces, and I'm like, yes, you guys, they still make them like that, okay? They still make them like that, all right? All we do is breathe like roaches, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're just like, we're just like an AK-47 in your motherfucking face. Yeah. If you want to get technical, I am half shish kebab, 1/4 hummus, and I'm slathered in Tati garlic sauce, honey. Thank you. Yep. And then my little speakers, and up, bah! Don't worry, I am not going to bomb you, don't worry. Yet. So, I just want to tell you guys something. This is how you know when life is officially over. When you see not 1, but 2, but 3 gray hairs going down your pussy. Yep. I was getting out of the shower the other day, and I had leftover hair dye from the other day. This is how cheap I am. I'm gonna just fucking say it, all right? Yes, that's exactly what I did. I took the fucking hair dye, and I went la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. And I turned, like, knowing my hairy ass was like, wait, hold on a second. And my ex walks in, he's like, what the fuck is going on? I was like, nothing. babe. He's like, are you seriously dyeing your ass hairs, Amira? What the fuck? I'm like, I'm a comedian. This is what I do. Thank you guys. You guys have been really great.
For Amira, ladies and gentlemen, ushering in the Chinese New Year. One more hand for Amira.